guys, today we're going to be playing Monkey's Place, and I'm going to show you how to get like 4 of the secret items. Also behind here, the no bananas sign, there is a Knuckles. It's pretty sick. And rules, let's go down the slide. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get, it's going to load real quick. Alright, so first, the items we're gonna get today are the frog,
I'm only reading this game.
the snowman, and the ice. So let's first show the.
Look, you can go on the vent. I want everything. I want everything, so I'm not reading it. There's cosmetics in the vents.
Okay, so first you want to go
to
the slide over
I want everything. I don't even have cosmetics in the vent.
Okay, now up here, you're not gonna see really.
I don't have anything.
I don't even have anything. In the tree. You gotta bounce like right up here, and it should say unlock right here. You just click it. You go back to the store, and it should be on the. It should be.
Wait, man, I want to be with you.
It should be
right
here,
can you teach
right
me?
here, and it should say
hey,
enable,
Blue Monkey,
disable.
Can you teach me how to get everything?
It'll be gone, and if you enable it, it'll be. Alright, so today, now I'm going to show you how to get the icicle. Pretty easy.
Can you teach me how to do it? The money glitch. Money glitch. Yeah.
Okay, so go
you
to
have the
ice
money
map.
glitch.
It's really easy. Go to ice map. And
okay. And that's where you
want to go down here.
Look behind you.
In the icicle, it should say unlock right there. Click it.
Go over here.
Oh my gosh.
And then ice.
So
the ice map is over here.
And then you can just go back to shop.
Ice map. So where else do we go? No! But bro, why were you chasing me down over here?
Okay, so now you have the icicle. You can click disable, enable. Now it's time to show you how to get the snowman. The snowman is on your head this time. So I'm gonna show you.
I don't know how to get it.
It's on your head.
Where's the kid that wants the money glitch? Where's the kid that wants the money glitch? I can show you. I'm an ice map. I'm black with nothing. Alright.
Okay, so
you
want to go to ice map?
To let you know, I'm right here. I'm right here. Hey, follow me. I do the money glitch?
Then you want to go to this snowman. So right there. Click unlock. It should be right there in green. Say unlock.
Yeah.
Then you go back to store, and it should be there. And then it's like an item for
your
head.
Do you have 100 cents?
See, item for your head.
No. Which we have 7, 1, 2.
Okay, now I'm going to show you the last item.
7, 1,
no,
I mean $1
which is
7.
Really easy.
No, $1 I don't have any
like
of
the marshmallow
those. I don't want the money glitch. I don't have any of those. Guess what you can.
Bro, ask your mom if you can spend $1. I'm gonna teach you the shortest way. So, just in case.
Okay, so you just go in here.
You
Monkey.
You wanna buy it?
Wait, hold up.
And then
I'm
click
doing
the
click
glitch right now.
unlock right there. It should be right there. Click it,
and then you have
1,000. The door's breaking right now. So then you go.
Because I think I'm the owner right now. I don't know why.
And then you should have the marshmallow on a stick.
No, you're not.
Right there.
You're not the owner.
Alright, if you want more tutorials
I'm
of these items, please tell me. And see you guys later. Goodbye.
Oh, my